Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you'll be speaking Mandarin just like a native. Today, we will take a close look at some Chinese adverbs. They are 不, 没, 就, and 才. I will point out a few things that learners need to pay attention to when they come to use these adverbs. You may ask, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, other adverb, or a word group. Examples are gently, then, and there, etc. Now let's take a look at 不 and 没. Both words means not. 我没吃早饭 or 我没有吃早饭. 没 and 没有 are interchangeable here. 我不吃早饭. Do they mean the same? If not, what's the difference? The first one, 我没吃早饭 means I didn't eat breakfast. And the second one, 我不吃早饭 means I don't eat breakfast. 没 or 没有 are used to negate past action, whereas 不 is used to negate present or future action. Now we will take a look at the difference between 就 and 才 in context. Our office hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For two of my colleagues, 约翰 and 彼得, this morning, one came at 8 a.m. and one came at 9:15 a.m. 约翰早上8点就来了. John already came at 8 a.m. 彼得9点15才来. Peter only just came at 9:15 a.m. Do you see the difference? 就 emphasizes the earliness of the action, whereas 才 emphasizes the lateness of the action. 就 can also indicate an action takes place quickly, whereas 才 indicates the slowness of the action. 我10分钟就把作业写完了. I finished my homework in just 10 minutes. 他半个小时才吃完饭. He only just finished his meal after half an hour. 就 is often used with 了 in this scenario, and 才 is never used with 了. Let's look at two other examples. 他昨天6点就去上班了. He went to work at 6 yesterday. Okay, so 就 here is emphasizing the earliness of action. How about this sentence then? 才6点他就去上班了. See, I put 才 before 6点. What does this sentence mean? If you would like to find out the answer, feel free to get in touch with me to find out more about my online course. Simply send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!